Wahala for ogogoro seller wey no get conscience. My people, make we talk am straight. No be bad thing to sell ogogoro. Ogogoro no be devil, na how you take use am. But wahala start when you know say person no dey okay. You see say drink don already bend am. Some don dey talk to themselves. Some dey roam like goat wey lost. Yet you still dey sell am. You still add strong drugs join. Person dey kolo small small. You still add fuel join. Tomorrow now when problem burst, person waka naked. Everybody go shout na society fault. But nobody go call the seller wey see danger but still decide to choose profit. The true talk be say business no be excuse for wickedness. When you see say something dey destroy person, yet you still sell am because of money. You no be innocent, you be part of the wahala. My brother man and sister woman, follow me for more true talk wey no dey look face. I salute una. Ado.